Welcome to the sound of the 60s.
Man on the mic at Lou's Bar and Grill. He's got dreams, but no vocal skill. Tony Tornado, he belts every tune like he's Tom Jones howling at the moon. The family's all here, they sit in despair. Customers groan, but he doesn't care. He's a man who's got nothing to lose except the crowd and his brother Lou's. Oh, Tony Tornado, the worst singer in the world. He's out of tune, but his dreams are unfurled. Every song's a disaster, every note's a crime, but he keeps on singing like he's in his prime. Tony was a drunk, but now on the mend, but his voice drives customers round the bend. Yet he tries to compete, but sounds like a cat with two left feet. Who's got a heart that's good? He'd fire brother Tony if only he could. The bar's losing big, complaints rolling in, but how do you crush your brother's grin? His life's been a storm, a big hurricane. Broken marriages, a lifetime of pain. Therapy sessions and dreams of the stage, but his voice turns songs into fits of rage. Lou wipes the bar, looks at the crowd while the booze getting loud. He shakes his head, wonders what to do. He loves his brother, but the rent's overdue. The black sheep of the clan, with a mic in his hand and no backup plan. He's the king of the stage in his own little mind. The worst singer on earth, but one of a kind. Oh, brother Tony, you're breaking our hearts, but Lou lets you sing, 'cause family's a start. One day the crowd may return through the door, but tonight we're all praying that you'll sing no more.
Welcome to the sound of the 60s.